English Bosnian future tense. I will go.
Ću ići.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, grab your headphones and get ready to smile while you learn Bosnian. Let's make the future tense easy and fun. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, tips, and free practice. Today you'll master the Bosnian future with the verb to go and start saying
Ću ići.
like a pro. Your goal today. You'll learn all core forms of will go in Bosnian and hear them in playful context. Repeat aloud to lock them in. I will go.
Ću ići.
You will go, singular.
Ići ćeš.
He will go.
On će ići.
She will go.
Ona će ići.
It will go.
Ići će.
We will go.
Mi ćemo ići.
You will go, plural.
Vi ćete ići.
They will go.
Oni će ići.
Funny mini dialogue. Time for a quick scene. Repeat the Bosnian lines after me and enjoy the silliness. A. Your couch begs you to stay. You reply, nope.
Mi ćemo ići.
Exclamation mark quote. B. And your printer? You pep talk it.
Ići će.
Exclamation mark quote. A. Coach texted.
Oni će ići.
To the finals. B. Great, and tomorrow.
Ići ćeš.
To class on time, right? A. Deal. If it rains.
Ću ići.
Anyway. Narrator. He made a plan.
On će ići.
She checked the map.
Ona će ići.
As a team.
Vi ćete ići.
First, then celebrate. How it's built. Let's decode the pattern so you can build any sentence fast. Pattern. Personal part plus, C, plus infinitive, IC. Examples.
Ja ću ići. On će ići. Mi ćemo ići.
Word order bonus. You can also front the infinitive.
Ići ću.
Or.
Ići ćemo.
Negation. I will not go, equals.
Neću ići.
We will not go, equals.
Nećemo ići.
Call and response drills. Quick shots. Hear the cue, then say the Bosnian out loud. You've got this. Say in Bosnian, you will go, singular.
Ići ćeš.
Say, they will go.
Oni će ići.
Say, we will go.
Mi ćemo ići.
Say, he will go.
On će ići.
Say, she will go.
Ona će ići.
Quick reassurance, it will go.
Ići će.
Polite to a group, you will go.
Vi ćete ići.
About yourself, I will go.
Ću ići.
Culture tip. Picture yourself in Sarajevo, planning the perfect day. Meet friends at Baskarcija for coffee and savapi, then declare the plan.
Mi ćemo ići.
Preko starog mosta kazni, and someone smiles, if the sun holds.
Oni će ići.
With us too. Lightning quiz. Fast quiz. Speak your answers before I reveal them. Translate. I will go. Answer.
Ću ići.
Translate. You will go, plural. Answer.
Vi ćete ići.
Fill the blank. Sutra, underscore 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 you muze. They will go. Answer.
Oni će ići.
True or false?
Ići će.
Means, it will go. True. Challenge and goodbye. One last push and you're golden. Challenge. Record yourself saying all 8 forms in rhythm.
Ću ići. Ići ćeš. On će ići. Ona će ići. Ići će. Mi ćemo ići. Vi ćete ići. Oni će ići.
Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, share your wins, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and games. Vidimo se next time.